Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. In today's video, we are unboxing my Think Pink box. It's here, and stick around to the end because I will also reveal what I make with this fabric. So if you're new to the channel, this is not just an unboxing video. I also immediately make the fabric up into something and then share it in the same video. All right, now if you have been around, you might have noticed that the box is back to what it used to be before Andrea's moved to the UK. So we're back with the gorgeous, gorgeous box. And this month's box is heavy. So I'm thinking maybe a knit fabric, like a sweatshirting would be kind of cool, or French terry. All right, let's see what's in here. So here's the beautiful packaging. The card says, I have to be careful not to knock you over. It's a good day to have a good day. And I've got the QR code on the back for the ebook. This is subscription box number 32. And we have 2.5 meters of fabric. It doesn't say what kind. And there's only one colorway this month. So everybody got the same thing. All right, let's get into it. Oh boy. I just saw the fabric. Not at all what I thought. But oh boy, okay. Our sweet treat this month. Can you see that? Is it gonna focus? There we go. So it looks like it's bubble gum. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. I think it might be bubble gum, but I'm not sure. Some little rosy cheek or cheeks label. Sewing is in my jeans, and this is a bit of a pun or a play on words. You'll see why in a minute. Here is my thread. So we've got regular Gutermann. Yeah, I think this is regular polyester Gutermann thread. And I believe this might be top stitching thread. Oh, Andrea, you're making me nervous. You're putting pressure on me. Oh my goodness. And here's the fabric. So this is 2.5 meters of denim. Dark wash. Like almost, yeah, this is dark wash, the denim. It feels very weighty, very weighty. And let me see, does it have any stretch in it? None, none. So this is very heavy, rigid denim. And gosh, I don't know, for the first or second time ever since doing these videos, I'm feeling as though I'm not going to be finished with my project this month. I'm stumped. I mean, I love this fabric. This denim is gorgeous, but I have no interest in making jeans. None whatsoever. I don't like to wear jeans. I don't like jeans. So I don't know what to do. I don't like denim. Like, I don't like wearing denim in general. So I don't want a skirt out of this. I definitely don't want trousers out of this. I don't know that I would want a jacket out of this. So I don't know. I just don't know what to do. So I'm going to have a chat with my daughter and then watch or read the ebook and see if Andrea's got some inspiration beyond just jeans or a jean jacket. So there you go. And I mean, don't think I'm disappointed. This is amazing denim. It's fabulous fabric. Yeah, I'm amazed she was able to secure this fabric for the boxes. But yeah, I'm stumped. I just don't know what to do. Maybe I can do, oh, wait a minute. I think I might have just gotten an idea for myself. Yeah. All right. So I'm off to look at the ebook and have a think. And then in a few seconds, I'll be back, hopefully with a finished project. See you then. And I'm back, but I don't have a finished project. So while I was filming the opening, like the unboxing part of this video, and when I saw the beautiful, beautiful denim, like a bunch of things were racing through my head. And then after reviewing the ebook and thinking about it for a minute, at first I thought maybe I could make myself a backpack or a bunch of bags, but that's not really me or my style or my thing. Yeah, and then I said, you know, maybe I would like a denim dress, but I know I wouldn't. And I don't want a denim skirt. I don't want to make jeans. So anyways, I showed the fabric to Marianne, and she would love something made out of that denim, but she would love short overalls. Now, it is October now. It's gotten really cool. She's not going to wear those short overalls until the summer. So there's really no point in stressing myself out trying to make something with this denim this month so that I can absolutely, you know, get my fabric sewn in the same month. That is just stress I'm putting on myself for no reason. Just not worth it. So I did not want to not share the unboxing because I know some of you really love to see what we do get in the box. So, you know, didn't want to wait on sharing the unboxing like 6 months from now. That would make no sense. So, yeah, there you have it. So the beautiful, beautiful denim is going to go into my stash for a few months, and I'll take it out again probably in the spring and make something really, really nice for Marianne with it, because it is gorgeous fabric. It is beautiful quality. It's a nice dark wash. So yeah, it is what it is. Now, if you have suggestions for me as far as what pattern I could use to make some short overalls for Marianne, please leave them in the comments below, because overalls are really not my thing. So I don't have any patterns. I think the only one I have is the Yanta by Helen's Closet. I mean, those might be nice as shorts, but if you have other ones that you really, really like and that you think a 26-year-old would enjoy wearing, please, please leave those in the comments below. All right, well, I think that's going to do it for this video. Now, if this is your first visit to my channel, this is not what my unboxings typically look like. If you'd like to know what they do look like, I'm going to link somewhere on the screen to my playlist of all of my different Think Pink unboxings for you to go have a look at. Thank you so much for stopping by and for watching the video. Please give it a thumbs up on your way out if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.